नमस्कार तुमकां सगळ्यांक पेंट ब्रश ह्या कार्यावळीक येवकार हांव नागेशराव सरदेसाय. आमी आसात सोल गॅलरी बाणावले हांगा. तर आलेश हो वियना बेस्ड आर्टिस्ट ताजी एक्झिबिशन हांगा पेंटिंगाचें आसा. एक वेगळे तरेची पेंटिंगां डिजिटल प्रिंट्स म्हणटात ताका, कारण सगळे ताणें कंप्युटराचेर पेंटिंग केल्ली आसा. कंप्युटर जनरेटेड आर्ट आसा, ताजे उपरांत ताणें प्रिंट करून हांगा लायिल्लें आसा. ताजे सब्जेक्ट सगळे सोशो पॉलिटिकल आसा, समाजाचेर आनी सामाजीक आनी राजकीय मळाचेर कितें चलता ताजेर तो भाश्य करता, पूण वेगळे तरेन एबस्ट्रॅक्ट रित्यान. ताजी पेंटिंगां आमी पळोवया आनी ताजे उपरांत आमी ताजे कडेन उलोवया. आमचे बरोबर आसा आलिश, जो वियना बेस्ड आसा आनी हांगा येवन ताणें एक्झिबिशन घाल्लें आसा गोंयान बाणावले हांगा सोल गॅलरी हातून. सो ताजे कडेन उलोवया. वेलकम टू द शो दीत. टेल मी अबाउट दिस शो दॅट यू हॅव पुट अप ऑफ डिजिटल प्रिंट्स.
Thank you very much. I have divided my show in 4 parts. One part is war games. The second part belongs to scenes, maybe dances or so. And the third part is industrial diligence, I must say, but failed. And the fourth part are designs, only designs, whatever. Yeah.
So what are these 4 parts? Why have you divided them into 4 different parts? One exhibition, 4 different parts.
I do it not in a special intention, but from my various pictures, from my various designs, I took some of these special designs out and give it the name. It is not the intention on the prepared to have 4 parts, and this 4 parts had these names. It is coming from the overview of the pictures which I made.
Meaning you didn't decide that you are going to make 4 parts out of it.
No.
It just happened.
Just happened.
And you when you completed these paintings, digital prints, let us call them paintings, digital paintings.
Yeah.
You sat down and then you said this fits into this fits into this.
Exactly.
That is how you did it. So how did you think of doing this into 4 parts? I mean, you have done it into 4 parts, it just happened, but then you sat down and said, no, this is design, this is diligency, this is whatever, the rest.
I do this exactly in this form, exactly. There is no enigma behind this. Yeah.
Is there a thought process into it? Most of your designs are digital prints.
Yeah.
That means they are done produced on or worked on computer. So how do you take that technology into painting part of it?
It is first a play with tools, and after that, in a special stadium, I decide, this must be this thema, or this must be only a design. Yeah? It is not an intellectual work that I make a thema or give me I play only on the computer, and then and then something comes in this design, and because I have many pictures, like everybody in the brain, and every themes, so I can decide, this could be this thema, and then I work special on this thema. I make I add some things, and so it comes to a special thema, maybe war, maybe industry, maybe scenes, sun salutation, or whatever. Yeah? This is the process. Yeah?
But most of this, like for example, it is said that artists paint what he has inside him. It's sort of a subconscious outpouring. It has to have registered itself in your mind, in your subconscious, and then it comes out. So you must have been really influenced by something, in the sense that, like you said about industrial diligency, the problems there, or the advantages there, whatever. I mean, these things must have been eating into you, and that is how you produce this work.
Yeah, this is in everybody. This is in everybody. We have millions of themes. Yeah, we have themes actually, or we have themes in the history, and we have also pictures. So when someone have tools, then someone can explain more with these tools. This is only behind this creation. Yeah? Nothing more. There is not hand from the sky coming to give you an inspiration, and you are a special human being. Yeah? This is not special. I think this is everybody has emotions also, and also emotions had the influence in the design. It's clear that you choose something, and you choose something because of emotions. And then you choose a tool which give you a picture, which give you a design, a special design, and this is clearly also coming from emotions, and a little bit also from intellect. Yeah?
That is how this has come into play now. Okay. So, but you have segregated them in different fashion. That means you have sort of had the idea of what you are doing. Like for example, you are talking about a particular theme in the industrial diligency that you have done. You are talking about Jaitpur, and you are talking about, you are making a political statement, or you are making a socio-political statement. So, are you a politically influenced person, where you say, no, I am not interested in anything, I am interested in myself?
Principally, I am a political and social interesting person, but my designs comes not from the way where some artists make. They have their idea and bring their idea on paper or on whatever. I play with tools which have nothing to do with politics, ideology, but I have ideology. I have political thinking. Yeah? So this helps me when I do something to connect my political interests with the design. Yeah? But it is must not be the rule. It is not the intellectual way. It is only a way, as I said, playing, and after that seeing what is coming and what could be a political expression or a statement. Yeah?
Because most of your works that I have seen, if you see very minutely, they have design which has meaning behind it. They are not just mere designs. They are not just mere blobs and paints and lines. And playing with whatever tools you are having. So what you are saying is, you are using that tool to express. The
Yeah.
expression was not because of the tool. The expression was there, and it just happened.
The
Tool is-
expression,
tool is-
the tool is there, and the expression, you can use the tool in your mind. This is clear. This is clear. This is, you cannot, the
Yeah,
tool is
that's
not,
true.
yeah. So, then after a time, yeah, when I use these tools, something coming out really, yeah, this is also clear. And from this outcoming, I can work more. And then maybe I use the tools direct and maybe also intellectual, and not only emotional. But before, maybe there is a phase where I use it more like in an aesthetic way, maybe in an emotional way. But after that, it could be a statement, a real political statement after that. But it is not from the beginning, never from the beginning. Yeah? I couldn't work with the idea, with the political idea, like some political painters in the 30s in Europe or in the 20s, to make a political statement, direct and under full consciousness what this can be or what this should say. Yeah, this not, but after the time it is coming, because it is in my brain, and therefore it connected. There come a connection. Yeah? But this is only a part. The other parts are design.